Poodle. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this hairstyle that I am personally obsessed with. I wish I had the nerve to go like this more often, but I kind of reserve it for special opportunities when I want to go really extreme and feel my drag fantasy. I'm gonna show you now how I create it, so stay tuned. As you can see, my hair was already curled beforehand. I styled it the day before using pin curls, brushed it into a wavy style and then rolled it back again. This is a great style for a second day of a curl set. But of course, if you are doing this on fresh hair, make sure you start by setting all of your hair into rolls or curling it using a curling iron into pretty tight curls. Next, section the front of your hair, creating a line from ear to ear, and put it aside for now. Now let's move on to the back of the head. I did some back combing, but it's definitely not a must. I then used the brush to smooth the hair in the back of my head. Set it with hairspray and then use alligator clips to secure it in place around ear height. Set it with hairspray again. Next, back comb the side front sections. Then brush the outside layer, smooth it with hairspray and brush them up towards the upper center front. Pin it in place. Do the same for the other side. Secure everything in place. Now take all the curls that we gathered up there, start by dividing them into two groups so it's easier to handle, and start back combing them very softly, aiming to create a very fluffy cotton candy looking cloud. This part is a bonus and not a must, but to create more volume, I'm taking a small part of what used to be a hair donut and just pinning it in place in the middle of all those curls. Continue back combing the second group of the curls. Gather all that mess into a ball. Use hairspray and U-shaped pins to help shape it. I personally took the lazy way out and pretty much right away used the hairnet that makes all the back combing concentrate into one big ball. Gather the ends of the net and tuck them underneath using some bobby pins. I used the steel tails of a comb to shape it into a round form. Add more U-pins to secure everything in place and style it. Now let's move to the back section. Grab small sections and back comb them, making sure you're not leaving any curls in the original form. Do this to the entire hair. I did not use a back mirror, but I highly suggest it. Try to spread all that teased hair to create more volume. I am now using hairspray and patting the hair into a round shape. Where you see a lack of volume, you can come back and backcomb some more. Repeat the hairspraying and patting until the whole hair is tight and round. Set everything in place.
Take out the alligator clips.
So if you want this part to be tighter, like this, you can add some bobby pins, but it's not a must. I think it looks cute like this as well. I'm just kind of inserting them underneath the hair so you don't see them. Here's a quick styling idea. I took a vintage nylon scarf, folded it in half, creating a triangle. I put it over my hair and tied it under my chin. I added some cat eye sunglasses and now I feel like a mid-century Poodle lady cartoon. This is the complete look. I'm really in love with it. I have this weird pink poodle fantasy, I guess, and I'm really happy to be demonstrating to you how I get to this look. I hope you can try this as well, and please tag me if you do on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any questions or requests for other videos. So see you on the next video. Kisses!